million, thousands of Filipinos, no, are allowed to gather during the proclamation of independence, the ratification of the first constitution. Okay? 1898, before the Republic of the Philippines, we had the Revolutionary Republic of Malolos. Emilio Ginaldo and General Mariano Trias is the president and the vice president. Then, on September 15, the ratification of the Constitution that led to the birth of the Republic, making Emilio Ginaldo as the president of the Republic. So as we exit, makikita ninyo yung replica ng Constitution natin and the name of the delegates that put their name and signature sa Constitution.
Paggawa ng AP project.
Uy!
Yun na.